Welcome to this video on Aries Ascendant, also known as Mesha Lagna in Vedic astrology. Aries Ascendants are dynamic, ambitious, and full of energy. Ruled by Mars, the planet of action and courage, they are natural-born leaders who thrive in competitive environments. Their fearless attitude and determination make them stand out in any situation. One unique trait of Aries Ascendants is their love for challenges. They don't shy away from hard work and are often drawn to professions that require energy and persistence, such as engineering, sports, or even entrepreneurship. However, success for Aries Ascendants doesn't come easy. With Saturn influencing their house of career, they must put in consistent effort to achieve their goals. There are no shortcuts for them. On the personal front, Aries Ascendants are known to have strikingly attractive spouses. Their partners, whether husbands or wives, often exude charm and beauty. Family relationships, particularly with their mother, are also deeply cherished. Their mothers often have soft, round faces that evoke warmth and love, creating a strong emotional bond. Physically, Aries Ascendants have athletic builds, sharp features, and a vibrant aura. Their youthful energy is hard to miss, and they often enjoy activities that keep them physically active, like going to the gym or playing sports. This need for action and movement reflects their inner drive to always stay ahead. Aries individuals are generally straightforward and sweet-talking. Unless negatively influenced by planets in their second house, they avoid harsh language and maintain a polite demeanor. However, their high energy can sometimes make them impatient or impulsive, so learning to slow down and plan ahead is key for their growth. In summary, Aries Ascendants are bold, hardworking, and charismatic individuals who inspire others with their energy and determination. They shine as leaders and thrive in challenges, making them a force to be reckoned with. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insight